In this video, we'll be looking at how to save your work in CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus. CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus use an autosave feature to save your changes as you progress through each input screen. How this works is that the app automatically saves your data to the server whenever you navigate from one screen to another within the app. For example, if I'm on the AHU Show All screen and make some changes, while I remain on this screen, the changes are only being stored on my computer in a temporary cache. It is only when I navigate to another screen that these changes are saved to the server. That could be navigating to another input screen, the project summary screen, or even back out to the project list. On the project summary screen, there is also a visual representation of the saving process, where the calculate button will show as grey until the autosave process is complete. This usually takes less than a second. Given what we've just discussed, there are some key things that you should avoid so that you don't lose your work. Firstly, if you press F5 to refresh the web page while on an input screen, this will clear your cache without saving any of the changes you've made on that screen to the server. Similarly, the changes you make on an input screen won't be saved if you immediately navigate away to another website, log out of CAMEL Plus, or close your browser. You need to first navigate to another screen within the app to trigger the autosave function. A good habit to get into is to navigate back to the project summary screen when you've finished making changes on the input screens. From there, you can safely close your browser, knowing that your changes have been saved to the server. Also, you should avoid having two people access the same project at the same time. If they are making changes on the same input screen, each user will have their own local version of the inputs that they are trying to save to the server, and they won't be able to see each other's changes in real time. Now, after all this, you may be wondering what happens to your work if you lose internet connectivity. As we've just covered, while you're making changes on an input screen, these changes are being stored locally on your computer, so it doesn't matter if you temporarily lose internet connection while working on a particular screen. I've just disabled my Wi-Fi now to demonstrate this, and I'm able to still continue working. It is when you navigate to another screen within the app that your inputs are saved to the server, so if you have no internet connection at this point, a warning message will be displayed. You can continue working on the current screen, but you won't be able to navigate to another screen and therefore save your changes to the server until your internet connection has been restored. I'll turn my Wi-Fi back on now to demonstrate this. You can see that I'm now able to navigate away from the screen to save my progress and continue working. That's all for this video. For more help on platform basics, be sure to have a look at the other videos in this series that are relevant to you. Links are included in the description. Bye for now.